कुछ युद्ध बंदूकों से लड़े जाते हैं और कुछ हौसले और जिम्मेदारी से। 1999 का कारगिल युद्ध, जहां दुश्मन ऊंचाइयों पर काबिज था और हमारे जवान विषम परिस्थितियों में भी पीछे नहीं हटे। इन्हीं में से एक नाम है जनरल शंकर रॉय चौधरी का, जिन्होंने न केवल रणनीतिक मोर्चे पर नेतृत्व किया, बल्कि हर सैनिक के मनोबल को ऐसा संबल दिया कि भारत ने दुर्गम चोटियों पर तिरंगे से ढक दिया। उनका दृढ़ विश्वास था कि पीछे हटना कोई विकल्प नहीं है। ये भावना हमारे संगठन में भी जीवित है, क्योंकि हमारे पास एक ऐसे योद्धा है जो ना तो मैदान छोड़ने वाले हैं और न संघर्ष से पीछे हटने वाले। जब कोई अकेला पड़ जाता है तो सबसे पहले इनका नाम याद आता है, वो हाथ जो सबसे पहले साथ देता है, वो आवाज़ जो सबसे ऊंची उठती है। तो आइए उस नेता योद्धा का स्वागत करें, हमारे ओन कॉमरेड संजय दा, चेयरमैन ऑफ Federation of Bank of India Officer Association, General Secretary of All India Nationalized Bank Officer Federation, General Secretary of our own Bank of India Officer Association, East India Branches। देवी और सज्जनों, कृपया आप लोग अपने स्थान पर बने रहें, क्योंकि अब सुनने की बारी है हमारे ओन संजय दा।
फ्रेंड्स, ये सबको को पता था कि मैं नहीं बोलूंगा, इसीलिए लोग भाग रहे हैं। फ्रेंड्स, within 15-20 minutes we'll finish the program. Please come inside. Please come inside. मैं सुबह बोला क्या, अभी तो मैं बोलूंगा। एक्चुअली आज मेरा गला खराब है, फिर भी मैं 5-10 मिनट तो मैं बोलूंगा ही। आ जाइए अंदर, वॉलंटियर्स, यू टेक केयर। To Comrade President of the Federation in absentia Nagesh ji, Comrade Nilesh, and the leaders, due to the paucity of the time, I will not name each and every leader. Our leaders from the Federation, our Suprito da, Ranjit da, Ashim da, and प्रबंधन पक्ष से जो लोग आए हैं, हमारे बिलावेड FGMO जनरल मैनेजर राजीव जी, मनीष फुलरे जी, हमारे कोलकाता जोनल मैनेजर के कोलकाता के जोनल मैनेजर राम बाबू भल्ला जी, एंड आवर सीनियर लीडर्स राजा दा, शमर दा, एंड ऑल द सीनियर लीडर्स, आई एम नॉट नेमिंग ऑल ऑफ देम। थैंक यू वेरी मच। एंड द बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ऑफिसर्स एसोसिएशन presents its rich heritage, rich compliments, fraternal greetings, and kudos to all of you. A warm and hearty welcome to all the dignitaries only, and more particularly our executives. After a long gap, the executives, they are attending our annual general body meeting. It is the picture throughout the country itself. So thank you very much. But I am not giving thanks in the morning also. I have not given thanks to my members, to the followers, those who have joined in large number. It is the biggest hall in Kolkata, the 3-tier system. 2-tier is already jam-packed. I will not give thanks to all of you even after for assembling on this annual general body meeting, because annual general body meeting, it is the constitutional obligation only. But I will give you the thanks for assembling in large number in all the Thursday meetings, all the cluster meetings throughout our FGMO, be it in Kolkata, Barasat, Howrah, बर्धमान, आसनसोल, दुर्गापुर, बांकुड़ा, मिदनापुर, पुरुलिया, बहरमपुर, सिलीगुड़ी, गुवाहाटी, त्रिपुरा, सिलचर, शिलांग, Manipur, and elsewhere. We have thronged everywhere in large number. That is the uniqueness of this unit. For that, kudos to all of you. But perhaps only Prakash ji gave you the thanks only for your performance, because this time I will not touch upon the balance sheet of the 2025 much, but I will give you the thanks because this time again in the first quarter, you have made it possible, you have posted a 33% year-to-year growth in our net profit to 2,252 crores. And we are very glad to see the picture that our MD and CEO handing over a dividend check of 1,353 crores to Madam Finance Minister. For that, you deserve kudos. Whenever I will criticize you at the same time for any good work, you should have a pat on your back. अगर कोई आपको appreciate नहीं करते हैं ना, you should have a pat on your back of yourself. सोच लो हाँ हम ही करके दिखाए हैं, हमने किया है. तो मेरा परसेप्शन जो है, मेरा जो नैरेटिव्स है वो समथिंग डिफरेंट. सुबह एक वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग चल रहा था, उसमें शायद आप लोगों ने देखे होंगे, मेरा ही भाषण था, मैंने वही बोल रहा था. आज जो हम बोल रहे हैं हो सकता है कि आपको लगेगा ये गलत है, लेकिन कल ये साबित होगा ये सच है. आज बहुत वक्ताओं ने बहुत सारे बात बोल के किया है जो आज से 5 साल पहले हम लोग बोल चुके थे. यही जो नीलेश जो बोल के गया है कि ये सुडलाई पर इन थर्ड पार्टी प्रोडक्ट्स का जो प्रॉफिट, इट शुड बी रिफ्लेक्टेड इन आवर बैलेंस शीट, इन आवर प्रॉफिट. We gave a suggestion to the management 5 years back. In all the Thursday meetings, I have harped upon that thing that don't go for mis-selling of the third-party products. You go for this normal banking. I am with all the executives this time because thanks and kudos to all the team of new executives because again they have brought back the core business as an important thing. Every time I am telling them, they are asking me, क्या है ये कारण क्यों है? Why the business is not picking up? Why the business is not picking up? It is very, very, very clear to me. Because that time when they didn't give any cognizance to what the association was saying. Because it was a very clear declaration from our part, from our association. They don't do that and your future you will land in a bad place. Our bank will be landing in a bad place if you go for that. You are cheating with the customers by converting them, converting the Sud Life and the CASA in the name of third-party product. You are diverting them. Lot many customers, they made a complaint to us. Every time we were harping on that thing. But people, they didn't give any cognizance, they didn't pay any heed to our request. Now the situation is like that. And friends, I will not touch upon all the things. Simply I will tell. Now 2 or 3 things it is haunting not only me, to the big corporate houses, to the big economists also. Susila Ramaswamy, I was going to the Indian Express. She was telling that a lot many threats on the banks, potential threats rather to say. Number 1 is ALM mismanagement. That also I was harping for the last 1 or 2 years. And what many times people are asking, what you were saying in the Thursday meeting. अरे बाबा किसी को अगर पूछने का है तो आइए ना, किसी एक थर्सडे मीटिंग में आइए, आकर के सुनिए हम क्या बोलते हैं. Whenever there is a reduction in the repo rate, what will be the consequences? Repo rate was coming down from 6.5 to 6.25 and after that now it is 5.50. And what will be the consequences? What is having its impact on the ALM mismanagement? We were harping in all the Thursday meetings. Rightly, someone has pointed it out. Yes, we were vouching for this, mutual funds and all the things. Now we are saying that CASA. Now your market is down and people having their good faith and the their dependence on this stock market, and now the stock market is not so much volatile due to the SEBI guidelines. Every 3 months they are to publish their balance sheet. Why the people, they will favor this CASA at this low rate? So friends, these are the things to ponder upon. You know that in that article she was telling me, yes, we know the Silicon Valley Bank, Signature Bank, they were having a very sound balance sheet, but all of a sudden they had to put their shutters down only because of this poor risk management, and only because of that, I mean to say, this interest risk. Yes, this is the trade union meeting. We ought to harp upon these things, and we are harping upon these things in all our Thursday meetings to make them educated. Friends, I'm telling you the second point, and it is haunting us every time. Now in the banking industry, there is the blame game going on everywhere. Everyone is blaming each other. Earlier speakers, they have also pointed it out. Everyone is blaming each other. Branch manager is blaming to their subordinates. Subordinates is blaming our staff members. Branch manager is blaming to the zonal managers. Zonal manager is blaming to someone else. Why? Before blaming someone, we ought to have a self-introspection. What I am doing. And to find out any solution, we ought to have some sort of introspection amongst ourselves. Reasons are very clear. What I was talking, in the banking industry, there are the two big forces. One is trade union force, another is management force. If there is an equilibrium, then the bank or an institution, it will flourish like anything. And if the equilibrium is not there, then definitely it will ruin out. It was happening in the last 2 years. They were not paying any heed to what we are saying. And many times I have heard, आप एसोसिएशन उस टाइम क्या कर रहे थे? एसोसिएशन क्या जाके मारपीट करेगा? एसोसिएशन बोल ही सकता है, because we are responsible trade union. We cannot cross our limitations. Now that's why I am with them. Actually, they believe in the theory of this participative management. Whenever there is a participative management, bank has flourished like anything. In the year 93 and 90, because you should know the history. Suprita, he was talking about the history. Yes, we should know the history. Without knowing the history, you cannot blame anyone else. In the year 93 and 94, this Bank of India posted a highest loss in the industry. That time I have seen this Sanjida and Santida, and being a very young, just joined direct recruit officer, I have seen how the association took the responsibility on their shoulders, and they used us also to roam around throughout the country, throughout the state also, to motivate the people and to get and to understand what is the problem lying therein. And ultimately, in the year 94 and 95, the Bank of India posted the highest profit in the industry. I am not telling this thing. It is written in the history of Bank of India. जो किताब है ना, आप पढ़ के उलट के देख लीजिएगा. It was recognized by the then our MD and CEO also. And after that also we have seen in many of the occasions, whenever there is a problem with this bank, when the bank, in our bank, Bank of India, it was under this PCA, prompt corrective action. That time also association took the pivotal role. And during the time of ESPS, it was successful only because of this officers association. And after that also, and meanwhile, 2-3 projects of the Bank of India failed. Vision 2013, Sankalp 10,000, Branch of the Future, all the 3 programs, it was total failure only because of the fact that associations and unions were not consulted. I am having that in my mobile, the minutes of that meeting also. I got the opportunity to be present over there in the reconciliation meeting at Delhi, along with the then General Secretary of our Federation and the IBOC, Comrade Harvinder Singh. 2015, we gave a strike call. And in the conciliation meeting, from IBS side, Unni Kishan, he was present over there. I'm just putting forth before you this thing only because of the fact that people, as of today, many of you are aspiring for to be the MD and CEO of different banks. And the government took a decision that from the private entrepreneur, private companies, private entrepreneurs, they should be put as at the top of this bank as a MD and CEO. It was started almost. We vehemently opposed it. Our number one point was that. And do you know, after that it was stopped. And as on date also, every year, lot many our executives, they are becoming the MD and CEO, ED of different other banks. That was the contribution of the association. We opposed in that meeting the infusion, this increase in the percentage of FDI and the decline and the denial of the government to infuse capital. Government बोले थे कि हम capital infuse नहीं करेंगे. हम लोग oppose किए थे. Many times, Nilesh just touch कर रहे थे. Once in 2017 and 18, I can remember, in one day, one of our lot many executives, they came to us to ventilate their feelings that yesterday some of our executives, topmost executives, they have grilled them like anything and they are totally demotivated and dissatisfied. Immediately, I can remember, next day, myself, is Comrade Sunil Kumar, in the head office, we had a detailed discussion with our then MD and CEO. How you can demotivate our top brasses, then how you can expect that the good things from them? Every time we fought for that. This association, this Federation of the Bank of India Association, it has a tremendous role to play. So friends, I'm telling you, this is the time you have to ponder over. Yes, sir. Perhaps someone has not told you, not in front of you, not in front of any of the executives. In our all Thursday meetings also, I gave a clarion call. Once for all, because आपने आज से 4-5 साल पहले का डेटा देख करके देख लीजिए तो this FGMO used to be number 1 and number 2, this Kolkata zone, at least within 5, ये हुआ करते थे. आज क्या हो गया? और ऐसा नहीं है, यहाँ से प्रमोशन ज्यादा नहीं मिलता था, वो फॉरेन पोस्टिंग यहाँ ज्यादा नहीं मिलता था, ऐसा नहीं है. पहले इस FGMO का GM बनने के लिए लोग तरफते थे, क्योंकि यहाँ से 2 GM ED and MD हुए हैं, R.A. Shankar Narayan and Dinabandhu Mahapatra. They became the ED and MD from this FGMO only, due to your contribution only. How we can forget that thing? It is not like that. So friends, इसलिए I am giving you a clarion call in this hall of fame, in this house of this nation. Again, आप एक बार कम से कम इस एसोसिएशन का नाम से करके दिखाइए कि yes, Kolkata zone, it is the number 1 and FGMO is the number 1. करेंगे ना? करेंगे ना? Exactly. On the day of our Independence Day, our Manish Puldeji he was present over there. There also I have repeated that thing. Let us take a oath. We will do this. क्योंकि अंदाजे से ना नपा कीजिए किसी इंसान की हस्ती को, क्योंकि ठहरे हुए दरिया में ज्यादा तक ये गहरे ही होते हैं. ऐसे अंदाजे से किसी को ना नापिए. ये क्या कर, they can make it and they can break it. And till now, what was the discussion all the speakers made? that is for the mental health and all the things. And yes, today it is the most important thing in the banking industry, because in the banking industry itself, whenever they are coming to join, they are threatened that this type of atmosphere, this type of toxic culture, it is there in this banking industry. That's why, to take care of the mental health and all the things, at least people when they are coming to the Thursday meeting, many times after the Thursday meeting, I got several messages, जी सर कल तो सोच रहे थे बैंक छोड़ करके चले जाएंगे, कि ये थर्सडे मीटिंग सुन करके कम से कम हम लोगों को तो मनोबल तो कुछ बड़ा है. Is it not the contribution of the Thursday meeting? थर्सडे मीटिंग में मैं क्या बोलता हूं आप लोगों का सामने, जो इन लोगों ने बोल के किया है वही मैं बोलता हूं. If you salute your job, there is no need to salute anyone else. And if you pollute your job, you will have to salute anyone else. All your bosses. ये मैं बोलता हूं. मैं ये बोलता हूं, जो गलत काम करना, गलत किसी को बोलना, गाली देना, ये गलत काम है. लेकिन इससे ज्यादा गलत है गाली बिना कारण से सुन के आना. ये गलत बोलना है. ये मैं गलत बोलता हूं. मैं बोलता हूं कि ईडब्ल्यूएस अलर्ट को आप इग्नोर मत कीजिए. मैं बोलता हूं कि डोंट इंडल्ज इन अनएथिकल जॉब्स. मैं बोलता हूं कि बिफोर गिविंग द सर्टिफिकेट, व्हेनेवर यू आर टेलिंग एनी टाइटल सर्च रिपोर्ट, प्लीज गो थ्रू द सर्टिफाइड कॉपी. ये गलत है. मैं ये बोलता हूं कि डोंट लव योर institution, but you love your work, because tomorrow your institution may not love you, but your work will love you. ये गलत है. ये जितना बात मैंने बोला ना, आजकल कोई लीडर अगर कोई बात बोलता है कि गलत है, ब्लेम करता है, ब्लेम गेम. लेकिन ये एक भी बात मेरा नहीं, ये हमारे फॉर्मर प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया डॉक्टर प्रोफेसर APJ अब्दुल कलाम का है. ब्लेम कीजिए उनको. तो फ्रेंड्स, मैं इसीलिए बोल रहा हूं, ये टॉक्सिक कल्चर जो है इसको बंद कीजिए. मैं हाथ जोड़ता हूं, ये टॉक्सिक कल्चर को थोड़ा सा टेक केयर कर लीजिए, क्योंकि इन द डेज टू कम इट इज गोइंग टू रूइन दिस इंडस्ट्री. गुड पीपल, दे विल नॉट कम टू बैंक until and unless we are not in a position to take care of these things. The bank will never flourish. काम करने के लिए तो हम कर देंगे, क्योंकि मैं बोलता हूं कि हर चीज क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. मैं सबको बोलता हूं, सारे एग्जीक्यूटिव को, मेरा साथ 1 घंटा बैठिए. सारी चीज मुझे मालूम है क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम है, सारी चीज मुझे मालूम है. 1 घंटा मेरा साथ बैठिए. क्योंकि ये जो मैं जो बोल रहा हूं, ये कोई नई बात नहीं बोल रहा हूं. इसका पहले भी इस तरह का नौबत आया था. आज से 4 साल पहले यही आया था कि FGMO was not moving up to the expectation. That time, during the time of Mr. Abhijit Bose, jointly we made an appeal to the members. ये तुरंत काम कर दिया था. अब बारासात का जोनल मैनेजर को पूछ कर देखिए, सुनिए क्या बोलते हैं. बारासात जोन was not moving. आज बारासात जोन is not doing good ना. उसमें भी हम लोग टाउन हॉल मीटिंग में जा करके, बारासात का जनरल मैनेजर बोला कि दादा मैं ज्यादा बोलूंगा नहीं, आप ज्यादा बोलिए, यू गिव ए कॉल. एंड आफ्टर 7 days he told me, दादा it worked like a miracle. That is the strength of this association. और इस टाइम भी होगा, इसके सिवा और कुछ नहीं होगा. इस टाइम भी होगा ही, क्योंकि यही लोग करके दिखाया था. They are having the acumen. Why this time they will not be in a position to do that? You are having the confidence now? Yes, sir. They can make it and they can break it. इन लोगों ने करके दिखाया. आज AIBOC इन लोगों को धन्य कर रहे हैं. AIBOC का ओर से 16 अगस्त को छुट्टी के लिए मैडम ममता बनर्जी को पास रिक्वेस्ट गया था. कुछ नहीं हुआ। मेरे को ही बोला दादा आप भी थोड़ा सा रिक्वेस्ट कीजिए आपका कनेक्शन लगा के, मैं भी किया था, कुछ नहीं हुआ। अल्टीमेटली EIBOC took a decision that yes, tomorrow there will be that is the last option. Tomorrow there will be a Twitter campaign led by Sanjay Da, because they are also having confidence on me, and ultimately it has become a history. It has become a history in the history of the Twitter, क्योंकि एक दिन में गवर्नमेंट ने छुट्टी शाम को डिक्लेयर कर दिया था। I got tremendous certificates from people from every strata of the society. That is the strength of this Twitter. That is the strength of the unity. ये यूनिटी को अगर बरकरार करके रखेंगे तो क्यों आप बार बार ब्लेम सुनेंगे कि कलकत्ता में कुछ नहीं होता है, कलकत्ता में कुछ नहीं होता है, कलकत्ता में सब कुछ होगा। Calcutta is not only the birthplace of the trade union, it is the birthplace of all sorts of resistances associated with the modern day culture and the society to make it more civilized than that of today. रेजिस्टेंस हम लोग करते हैं यहाँ, हमेशा रेजिस्टेंस करते हैं, रेजिस्टेंस करते हैं अच्छाई के लिए। ये जो बोलते हैं ये नहीं बोलेंगे तुम अच्छा काम करो, गलत काम मत करो, ये नहीं बोलेंगे। ये कोई गलत है? गलत है? नहीं है। अगर गलत नहीं है तो हम 1000 बार बोलेंगे, क्योंकि यही धर्म होता है। अन्याय का विरुद्ध में, जब आत्म मर्यादा का विरुद्ध में, मर्यादा हमारा जब अटैक होता है, हमारे डिग्निटी जब अटैक होता है तो हमें आवाज उठाना ही है। अगर हम उस टाइम मौन रहेंगे, सहनशील रहेंगे, वही अधर्म है। भीष्म पितामह और जटायु दोनों का ही मौत हुआ था, मौत सबका ही होता है, लेकिन फर्क यही था भीष्म पितामह को अंतिम समय में सरसैया मिला था और जटायु का भगवान रामचंद्र का गोदी मिला था। क्योंकि भीष्म पितामह जिंदगी भर धर्म को मानते हुए भी एक ही अधर्म किए थे। जिस टाइम द्रौपदी का चीरहरण हो रहा था उन्होंने विरोध नहीं किया था, और जटायु ने क्या किया था? माता सीता को जिस टाइम हरण करके रावण ले जा रहे थे वो जुट गए थे, वो आत्म बलिदान कर दिए थे। तो यही होता है जब अधर्म होता है, जब आपको मर्यादा को ऊपर अटैक आता है, तब आवाज आपको उठाना ही है, 1000 बार उठाएंगे। तो साथियों, इसलिए मैं कह रहा हूं फिर से एक बार, बैंक ऑफ इंडिया जिंदाबाद, FGMO कोलकाता जिंदाबाद, कोलकाता जोन जिंदाबाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय बांग्ला।